Hello student, welcome to Technical Mathvbn channel. In this video we will do this question with the help of specific rule DMAS or bracket of DMAS. Question is 4 square into 4 multiply 8 minus 7 bracket minus 10 square. So this is the question, and keep in mind you have to follow the rule while solving this question. So here we apply bracket of the mass rule. B for bracket of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So follow this rule. So first of all, see where is a bracket. You can solve this 4 square. So I will solve at the end. Into bracket is here. In bracket you can see that there are two signs, multiplication and division. So see the arrangement. First you have to do multiplication. So multiply 4 with 8. 4 8s are 32 minus 7 minus 10 square. Clear? 4 square into 32 minus 7. So the answer is 25 minus 10 square. Clear? 32 minus 7 is this. Now 4 square is 16 into 25 minus 10 square is 100. Clear? Now see in your formula that first you have to solve multiplication and then addition, then subtraction. So in this concept, here at this step there is a multiplication and subtraction. 16 into 25 means 16 multiply 25. 16 multiply 25 will be, first of all, equal to sign 16 multiply is 400. 400 minus 100. So the simplest answer is 300. You can see there the answer is 300. So these are the steps we have follow while solving this question. This question will be solved with the help of bracket of DMAS formula. That is simple and so simple, and you have to follow the arrangement bracket of division, and after that multiplication and addition and subtraction. And if you still have any confusion in the question, you can comment under the video. I will try to resolve your problem, and thanks for watching this video.